finally made it to Florence, and my first thoughts are, wow, this place is incredible. It's so different from Rome.
Yes.
Right?
It really is. At the beginning, at like the hotel location, not a lot was going on. So I was kind of looking to my right and left and like, this is a lot different than where we stayed in Rome. But we literally walked down 5 minutes and it was a whole nother scene. And you have like the big churches, so many people around, people doing entertainment, restaurants everywhere, gelatos on every other corner.
I know when we first got to the hotel, Mohammed's like, "Where did you book us? Because this is in the middle of nowhere." So I think the cool thing about our spot is that if you want to be in a more quiet area, this is like the place to be.
Yes.
And then you walk 5 minutes, and that's where everything is at,
Bro,
like all like the
so
popular
busy.
things in Florence.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna show you guys that today.
Yeah.
Yesterday we came in, we were so tired because the day prior to us traveling, we didn't sleep. We literally were running off 2 hours of sleep. So we came in yesterday to the hotel room, we checked in, and then Omaya, her hands get some sort of like reaction to the heat and the sun.
It's a little better now, alhamdulillah.
So literally when we came here yesterday, we're like, okay, let's put our luggages up. Let's go to a pharmacy real quick, get you some cream and figure this out.
Yeah, it calmed down a little bit. Yesterday, actually, from the first day we landed in Italy, I have this thing, I don't know what it's called, but every time I'm out in the sun for too long, I start getting like these red rashes around my arms. Well, pretty much the areas that are exposed. So my hands and my feet tend to get like a red rash around. So we had to go to the pharmacy, and alhamdulillah, they were so helpful. They gave me a cream and it calmed it down, so it's not as red, but I still have like little bumps. And afterwards,
it's a lot better though.
Yeah.
You'll get better.
Thank you,
You'll
baby.
get better soon, inshallah.
Thank you, baby. And then after that, we went to get some dinner and some dessert. Then we walked around the area to explore a little bit, and then came back to the hotel. Like around 8 o'clock, we knocked out. All the way until this morning. It's 7 a.m. now. Also, let's just point out that it's raining. So on our first full day of Florence, it's raining. I hope we can get around and still do some fun stuff, but
I think so. We'll figure something out.
It's not looking too promising. Although the weather is really nice, it's pretty chilly out.
Yeah, it's not hot, so the rain, and it's not like hard rain, right? It's raining, but it shouldn't be all day. So we'll definitely get some stuff going. We'll show you guys what we're gonna do today, but right now we're gonna head over to breakfast.
I hope it doesn't last all day because we only have 2 more days in Florence. Right behind us is the tilted tower, and it's so funny because everyone behind us is doing like that thing
they're
where
pushing it like it's about to fall on them, even though it's not. So let me show you guys real quick. So you pretty much everyone like stand. So everyone just like stands up there, and pretty
so cute.
and everyone is doing pretty much the same pose for this. Which is cool, I'm not gonna lie.
I know we're like talking about them, but like I really want to. Oh my god, look at the guy with the dog.
Wait,
He's doing it right in front of us.
He got his hand up. The dog is so calm too. I've never seen a calm like that. But honestly, it wasn't even a bad
it wasn't a bad drive. I mean,
ride. It was only an hour ride from Florence to here, and you don't have to spend the day here. You could just spend like a few hours.
Yeah, I don't think there's much to do here other than sightsee.
Yeah.
for the
Right?
Okay, I don't think there's much to do other than sightsee.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't suggest to stay here for a whole day. Maybe half a day would be nice.
And we just got here, so we're just exploring. So we're gonna show you guys around what we do.
Yeah.
And then what we're planning on doing is just spending maybe half a day here.
Yeah.
And then heading back when it's not too late.
Yes.
We gotta do what we gotta do, but let's explore. Let's go.
Moved from one resting area to the other.
Yeah, we've just been moving around in a circle.
Yeah, I mean, there isn't much to do here other than sightseeing, take pictures and rest and eat a little bit. There are restaurants just outside.
Yep.
But other than that, there's nothing else to do.
Exactly.
Which I thought there would be more stuff around this area.
There isn't.
I thought it would be more like shopping centers or like, I don't know.
I mean, there is probably outside of like kind of where we're in.
Yeah.
But where we're in is pretty much just sightseeing, pictures, everyone just kind of chilling, relaxing. Yeah. But
everyone behind us is resting as well.
Bro, I'm talking about like dogs running around. Pretty much chilling. It's a vibe out here, but we're hungry.
I'm so hungry. I don't know. Should we eat before we go back to Florence?
Yes.
Or you should?
Not eat, probably like nothing heavy.
Like.
But like something to hold us up.
Something light?
Because all we had so far is breakfast, and it's like almost 4:30.
Yeah, we pretty much had breakfast and had snacks. We had breakfast and snacks.
Yeah.
That's it.
Exactly. Yeah, but the good thing is we did some TikToks still. So we rested,
did do some TikToks.
So we rested in the rest area. We shot some TikToks. And then right now we're just going to maybe take some more pictures, walk around a little bit, find something to eat. And then we got to head back, get on a train and head back.
Back to the hotel. We're going to rest for a little bit and then head out to get some dinner. Yes. We are so hungry. The food we had earlier in Pisa wasn't all that, but alhamdulillah. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we switched rooms because the room that we had earlier today wasn't the room that we booked for. But when we arrived here, there was nothing else open, which is kind of crazy because how do they not reserve the room you pay for? Anyways.
You guys know. So anyone that's traveling out there, make sure you pay attention to that.
Yeah.
Whenever you do check in, sometimes they just give you what's available, but make sure you get what you paid for.
Yeah, just pay attention to that. But yeah, this is the room, and now we're just going to chill, rest, charge our phones.
Pray, that's it.
Pray, and just wash up before we have dinner. We've been eating pizza and
spaghetti,
pizza and pasta like literally every single day. So I am in the mood for something different, like a steak.
But it's a hit or miss with steak out here because you don't know if the restaurant is good, if it's not, and you don't know if it's what you're used to like back at home. So.
Yeah, like in the US we have amazing steak. But I know when we travel overseas, the version of steak or the season that they use is a little different.
Exactly.
So hopefully the steakhouse has some good steak.
This area is popping though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's popping at nighttime.
Yeah.
Allora, you use this cream anche every 2 hours.
Every 2 hours.
Proprio is for hydration.
Okay.
So every 2 hours, this one, and then at night
In the night is very much.
Okay.
Stopped at another pharmacy right now because Omaya's hands were getting really red again, and the cream we had wasn't working, or maybe it wasn't working in the morning. So we stopped in and we got some other cream that she's putting on right now.
This calms down the irritation.
The pharmacist said for her to use this one in the morning, and then the cream that we got originally for her to use it before she goes to bed at night. So inshallah works, because Omaya's been struggling with this.
It's so hard to go to bed because like last night I was itching so much.
Yeah.
And I was scratching. I couldn't stop scratching. It was terrible.
Inshallah this works. I mean, I'm trying literally to find anything with her to just help calm it down, but it's definitely a heat thing. So anywhere we go that she's exposed to the sun and it's hot outside, she gets irritated. So inshallah this works.
Inshallah. Oh my god, guys, the amount of walking we've done so far is insane. So if you do come to Florence, I would suggest for you to get yourself a good pair of sneakers or even sandals, because these are very tough streets to walk in.
Maya's taking us on like a marathon here, and I'm looking at like just such an incline street that I feel like I'm gonna like roll off. And the shoes I'm wearing is just like,
I know they're not, oh my god, he's not wearing comfortable shoes. They're very, very casual shoes. But yeah, there's lots of stairs as well, so just like be mindful of bringing comfortable shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, so far this is how much we've walked, and this is how much we have left. Not too much, but we do need a break. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Yes, I need water. Thank God we brought water with us. Whew. I'm out of breath, baby. This is so nice. Oh my god, totally worth the climb. So we stopped to get some coffee and something to eat after walking so much to get to this place, which is totally worth it, by the way.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
What do you think?
It's not a bad walk.
Right? That pizza looks so good and so small. You can literally cover it with your hand.
Literally.
So we came to this restaurant and they found out that we do TikToks. And want pictures with Muhammad. And they're all fascinated by him, which is hilarious. Muhammad's feeling so awkward. Oh yeah, of course. Oh, be in the video? Okay. Wait, will you stay here? Okay. So I can look tall too.
Okay, cool. Is it going good?
No, aspetta, questa parte deve la luce, zio. Te l'ho detto, questa parte.
It's good?
That sort of stuff never happens. How was that? How was that, Mo?
I really
How
don't know.
awkward.
That's the first time I've been out with Omaya where Omaya's the one taking my pictures. I've never had that happen before. That's a...
And no, and you were standing there so awkwardly too. You're like, what's going on?
Well, I just didn't know what was going on because it was like 4 people came out of nowhere.
I know. That was like they're like that was the opportunity.
No, I mean, because the thing is, like, he came out of nowhere when we sat, and he was like, I know you guys, and then he was like, I'll give you guys dessert. I'm like, all right.
They gave us dessert for free, which was pretty amazing. But no, it was awesome. The experience was amazing. Check it out. Check it out. So we're having breakfast for the very last time in Florence, and also, may I add, that it's Muhammad's birthday! Yay! It's your birthday. It's your birthday. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels good. It's just another day, alhamdulillah.
Just another day.
Just another fun day celebrating with you out in Italy. So alhamdulillah.
I love you, baby. I love you.
Alright, so we're all packed up and ready to go into our next destination, which will be
Milan.
I'm so excited because it's like the fashion capital of Italy, and they have the top designers in Milan, so we're gonna have a lot of fun shopping. Or maybe window shopping. I don't know if we're gonna do any shopping, honestly.
Yeah, so here's the thing with Milan. I don't know anything about it, just as much as I didn't know anything about Florence.
Yeah.
But we had a lot of fun here. So inshallah, we have so much fun there. We're gonna show you guys around where we're staying.
We're planning on doing tours as well, so if you guys have any suggestions of like places that we should visit, or like restaurants to go to, or even places that we can sightsee and take some awesome photos, please leave it in the comment section below because we will need your help.
Yes.
So our train leaves in about half an hour, so we need to check out of the hotel and go straight to the train station.
Yes.
So we can go to our next destination.
Yes.
Thanks guys for watching. Love you so much, and we'll see you soon. Ciao!